In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record a presentation in Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, Canva allows us to create stunning presentations that we can showcase and present to the whole world. Added to that is that we can be able to record those presentations. I'm inside Canva and I'm using Canva free to show you that this works in the free version of Canva. So I've created a presentation here, just a quick presentation that I will present and record. Now, let's go to slide 1. And to present and record, I'll need to click on the present tab here. And I'm going to be presented by a couple of options. So I can present full screen, present a view, present and record, or have the autoplay option. I'll click on present and record. And once I do that, you have the option to record yourself. And you'll see yourself as a picture in picture like you see here. And I'll click on next. Record yourself while talking over a presentation. Share a video link with students, friends, or colleagues. So once you're done with this, you're going to go to the Canva recording studio. I'll click on go to recording studio. Click on that. And from here, you'll be able to set up your camera and your mic. So if you want to have yourself in the presentation, then you can do this. So I'll click on this to choose my camera. It's the C920. And then as for the audio, I'm going to go for the analog +1 Focusrite USB audio. So I'll click on this drop down. If you've not selected, just select it. Click on that. Now, if you're satisfied with your selections, click on start recording and I'll do just that. Start recording, gives you a countdown timer, and I'll begin. So you'll see your talking head right here, and then you'll see this right here. So I'll begin. How to get your first job on Upwork. And then I'll move to the next slide. You need to have a completed verified profile, discuss about that, give people the input, move to the next slide with I'm going to use the arrow keys, and then keep going, recording, and then to the next, to the next, to the next. So if you're at that particular end and that's the end of your recording, then you can end the recording right there. And you can also pause it if you need to kind of have or maybe grab a cup of water or something. You can also see the timer here that shows you how long you've been recording. It's also good to know that you can have some notes here if you need to kind of have a clear outline of what you're saying. Let's assume I'm done with the recording and I'll click on end recording. It's uploading your recording. Keep this browser window open while uploading. This might take a little while. So now, depending on whether your recording is a huge recording, then these will probably take a long time to kind of upload once you're done. But something I'd recommend is, as they've mentioned, keep the browser window open while uploading. So it's uploaded, it's ready. So you can copy this link and anyone with this link can view. No sign-in required. You can discard, you can save and exit, you can download. I'll click on download while pressing on control. It's going to start downloading. And once it's done, I'd like to kind of just play it on my end to see how it kind of looks like. So it's almost done downloading. And also because I actually kind of created it, I can just copy this and paste it in a new tab. And you can see your presentation here. Let's actually play it and I'll begin. So you'll see your talking head right here, and then you'll see this right here. So I'll begin. How to get your first job on Upwork. And then I'll move to the next slide. You need to have a completed verified profile, discuss about that. Now, a good thing I like about this is that you get to see when you move to the next slide and so on and so forth. It looks really good. Gives you the pointers, especially when you use the Canva video player, because you're able to see where you move to the next slide right about here. But that is what we get, and I'm sure it's still downloading here. And we can see that for a very short video, you may need to give it some time if you've worked on a huge video file for it to complete processing. But simply put, that is how you can record a presentation in Canva using the present and record features in Canva. You can do it with Canva for free and also Canva Pro. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.